In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an Excel spreadsheet into PandaDoc and turn it into a document with interactive tokens and pricing tables. This is a great workflow if you already keep your recipient information and line item details inside a spreadsheet and want to quickly convert that data into a document you can send out. The good news is that PandaDoc supports this process in a very straightforward way, and you can either save your spreadsheet as a CSV file or upload an XLSX file directly, depending on what you have ready. To begin, make sure your Excel spreadsheet is prepared with the recipient details and any line item information you want to use in the document. If needed, save that spreadsheet as a CSV file. If your spreadsheet is already in XLSX format, that can also work, so you can use whichever option fits your setup. The key here is making sure your data is organized clearly before uploading, because that helps PandaDoc recognize and map the content more smoothly. Once your file is ready, open PandaDoc and navigate to the Documents section. From there, click Create, and then choose Upload. This will take you to the file selection stage, where you can bring in the spreadsheet you just prepared. If you're working with multiple files on your computer, it's a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct version so you don't accidentally upload an outdated spreadsheet. After that, select your Excel file to generate a new document. PandaDoc will use the spreadsheet data as the foundation for the file you're creating. Depending on the size and complexity of your spreadsheet, this may take a moment, so give it a few seconds to finish loading completely before moving on. Next, convert the fields into interactive PandaDoc tokens and pricing tables. This is the step that makes the document dynamic and usable inside PandaDoc. Tokens help populate personalized details, while pricing tables allow line item information to appear in a cleaner, more interactive format. As you review the document, take a moment to confirm that the fields are appearing as expected and that the pricing information reflects the spreadsheet accurately. When everything looks right, click Send. Before sending, it's always smart to do one final review for formatting, field placement, and data accuracy, so the recipient gets a polished document experience. That's it. You've taken spreadsheet data, uploaded it into PandaDoc, converted it into interactive document elements, and sent it out efficiently.